Hey, it's Nescafex here. Hey guys, welcome to this new vlog. In today's vlog, I'm gonna tell you how to write a song in a few minutes. What is the key to my songs? It's not the universal key that can help you, but it might help you and you can success. Because everybody has to find their own way how to do music. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how I write music. My music is simple. I'm trying a new concept of videos to write a song from your emotions and not too much lyrics, because in today's music a lot of crazy things are full of lyrics and you get 0% of it because there is so much things that you cannot catch it. It's too much for your brain. He cannot handle it. Understand? And by the way, yes, we have also songs which are less of the lyrics. There is only one chorus, which is totally nonsense and it gives you anything. For example, today's hip-hop music scene, it's totally shit. It's crap. In Czech hip-hop music scene, I don't listen anything. It's totally crap, nothing more. And also in international pop music, when you go shopping, some clothes on yourself or something else, there is radio and there is playing only one song with one lyrics and it goes all around and it's nonsense. It gives you anything again. There is no deep thought in the lyrics. Today, people don't give a shit about meaning of the lyrics. It's good only for them if it's mean, if it's something rude. They don't give a fuck about what is in the text, what is the key. They are not open-minded. I prefer open-minded lyrics that makes you wanna think about it. What does it mean? What is the point of the lyrics? Yes, you are thinking about it, and it doesn't give you so much negativity like today's scene, if you know what I mean. So my key to write a lyrics is write it from the deep of your heart. And first of all, go to some place which gives you a power energy. Good power energy, not negativity. So yes, sometimes it's good to write lyrics in negative meanings, but you will poison your listeners also. And you don't want that. You want to spread love and you want to spread positivity. Yes, it's better than negativity and drinking and alcohol and drugs and stuff like that. Go to some place which gives you very good energy. My recommendation is go somewhere when you can get a God energy, because God energy, God power is the best what you can get. Nothing is more powerful than God's energy. It's the best what you can get. And be open-minded, okay? If you have some thoughts in your head, you can write it on your paper. If you don't like it, don't write it. Only what you feel in your heart, okay? And don't be so long. I wrote long songs, and in today's world, I don't think it's working. People are tired of long stories, but sometimes it's good to write long story, but not in a long term. Sometimes it's good to stop. Stop, do what you're doing. Go outside. Go somewhere when you feel that everything is good, and stop. I know that life is hurry. Everyone is in a hurry. And sometimes it's very good to stop. Just take a break. Breathe. Take a break. You know what I mean. So that's also my point. And that's it. That's it. So right now you can listen to this song, which I wrote in a few minutes, just by walking and playing on my ukulele and thinking about lyrics which came to my mind. So that's everything. You can listen to it right now. It's called Sunshine on Your Face. Sunshine on Your Face. Maybe. You will see the name of this song, so enjoy it and spread some love and nothing more, okay? So have a great day, have a great night, have a great everything what you want. If you want, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and see you in my another video. So have a great day and See you later. Goodbye, Nescafex. Bye bye.